Hello, this is a short video about the analysis of 9 words which have 20 schwa sounds in them. And I think they're in US accent. They are as pronounced at thefreedictionary.com speaker icon. If you click that speaker icon, you will hear these words that I have transcribed to Truespel phonetics below. And so we're analyzing the phonemes of this data set, and the results indicated that the short A sound, indicated by the letter I in Truespel as in pin, had accounted for 11 schwas. The sound as in hug counted for 6. The sound, or short oo as in wool, counted for 2. And the sound as in her, why is that like that? There you go. It counted for 1. And I'll show you the data set below. And that's the 20 sounds, 1 through 20. You can see the first word was international, and it accounted for 2 schwas. The schwas can be seen from the phonetics here. The upside down E is the schwa, and the word's listed twice because we got 2 schwas out of that word. Many words, long words, have several schwas in them. Now, a schwa is a vague symbol. You do not know how to pronounce a schwa. It's really not phonetic. I do not know why the IPA uses schwa. If you wanted to get the actual sound, such as international, that's the way it was pronounced instead of international, which is how I would say it, but this speaker icon deleted one of the schwas. So, phonetic association. And there's a schwa there, and there's a schwa to begin the word. So the schwas are all indicated here. And you could see the words if I click on the sorting mechanism. You can see that the ER word is there, and the short I words are all there. You can pause at any time to study these. And let's see, we got the sound, and there were 2 of them associated with the ending AL and LE, ol, the ol sound, and the sound. The ol sound was associated with these various letters. So various letters in traditional spelling can wind up as the various sounding schwas. The most interesting one is the short I, the sound, and look at all the ways that that sound was represented in traditional spelling. And so I hope this is an indicator that Truespel will give you how to say these words, because there are no schwas in Truespel. There are no special symbols in Truespel. So Truespel makes it simple to see how to pronounce every word of US English. As a matter of fact, it even spells slang. You could spell, if you can spell the 40 sounds, and you could spell, then you can spell what you hear even over various accents in American English. thank you for the Schwa investigation. I think Schwa should be eliminated from any phonetic spelling and special symbols as well, and I think Truespel is the way to go.